Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing this listing at 991 Barfield, Unit 304. Let's run inside and take a look at this condo here. So when we come inside, you've got the kitchen directly to the right. Some really nice upgrades that were done here. You've got the quartz countertops, the backsplash there, beautiful pulls on the cabinets here, under cabinet lighting. And then back here in the corner, you've got the pantry, some additional cabinetry, nice little coffee station there. Plenty of storage space here in the kitchen. Nice stainless appliance package as well. And then right off of the kitchen area, you've got the dining space in the great room. But first we're going to go over to the left here and see one of the two bedrooms here. So right down this hallway, you've got bedroom number 1, which these folks are utilizing as an office space. They've got a Murphy bed system here with the desk. But you do have the closet here and your windows out front. And then you also have the nice flooring in here. There's no carpet, which is nice. Right in the hallway here off the guest bedroom, you have the laundry space here. You see with the full-size washer and dryer, these folks have a freezer that they've added in here, so you could have both of those units on the floor side by side next to each other. This is just your mechanicals here. This is your hot water tank and your AC. And then you're in the guest bath here again. You've got that consistent theme of the white cabinets, the quartz countertops. There's a shower door that was put on the tub, which is nice. And your linen closet or cabinetry right there. Now coming back out into the main areas, you'll have to overlook the boxes that are here as the owners are gearing up to move and pack. But right here across from your dining space, you've got the dry bar set up here, so additional cabinetry as well as the fridge, and again with your quartz countertops. Same flooring throughout the bedrooms and the main areas here. There are mirrors that run along the entire wall. And this is your dining space along with your living space right here, enjoying the views. Now we'll take a look at the master bedroom here again. Same flooring throughout, which is really nice. And from your master, you do have access out to your lanai and a nice view that we'll see here shortly. And for your master bath, you do have the split sinks. Again, these were done similar to the other bathroom as well. We've got a walk-in style closet on the right side here. And then you have your commode and your standalone shower, which these folks have put the barn style glass door on the shower, which is really nice, and changed out the tile that would have been original to there. Now last but not least, we have the exterior living space here. So you've got a nice size lanai overlooking the views. They've tiled out here, which is really nice. They also have hurricane drop down screen shutters right along the open space here. But this is really what you're buying this condo for here is that view. You do have the canal here with the wide open basin right off to the left there. And there is availability for dock usage down below if you have a boat. And then you have water views off to the side as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.